Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
Greetings. In a world riddled with uncertainty, there is a beacon of hope for all believers, the 6 timeless pillars of belief. These pillars are not mere symbols, but are substantial guides towards enlightenment and peace. In life's maze, they lead us towards tranquility. Join us in understanding these pillars as they light the way to serenity. Embark on this insightful journey with us in the 2nd episode of The Path to Peace. Here, we dive deeper into the pillars of belief, exploring their profound significance. Remember, in the midst of chaos, there is a beacon guiding your path, the 6 pillars of belief in Islam. As we delve into this, let's acknowledge the significance of the spiritual path we tread. The 6 cornerstones of faith comprise of belief in Allah, in prophethood, in angels, in holy books sent by Allah, in the Day of Judgment, and in divine decree. These form the bedrock of Islamic ideology, guiding millions globally, fostering unity and faith. By comprehending these pillars, we unlock the basic traits that shape Islamic spirituality. We discover the principles that connect individuals of shared faith, appreciating the depth of a belief system that combines elements of history and modernity. We approach these guiding tenets with respect, curiosity, and an open mind, aiming to gain a holistic understanding of one of the world's most followed religions. Today, we embark on a profound exploration of these foundational beliefs that shape the hearts and minds of millions. Let's commence with the cornerstone of our faith, belief in Allah, the Almighty, the creator of all that is. This belief forms the essence of our being. It's akin to a sturdy, steadfast foundation supporting a structure, ensuring its durability during life's turbulent situations. This faith tailors our thought process, our actions, our outlook towards life and the cosmos. It serves as the navigational tool during times where we lose our direction, the guiding light in the abyss. This profound conviction is like an ever-flowing river, enriching our souls, guiding us towards the path of righteousness and tranquility. It's the defense mechanism that fortifies us against hopelessness during trials and adversities, a source of consolation during difficult times. This unshakable belief is the groundwork of our spiritual voyage, maneuvering our course through life's highs and lows. It is this unwavering belief that forms the bedrock of our spiritual journey, guiding us through the ebb and flow of life. Next, we delve into the belief in the prophets, chosen by Allah to convey His divine message to humanity. These prophets, selected to become the carriers of His divine wisdom, serve as examples of faith, resilience, and devotion. From Adam, who bore the burden of original sin, to Noah, who survived the great flood. Then there's Abraham, the father of many nations, and Moses, who led his people to freedom. We move on to Jesus, embodying love and sacrifice. Lastly, Muhammad, the final prophet, brought unity under the banner of Islam. Their stories encapsulate the essence of unwavering faith. Finally, Muhammad, the last prophet, who unified an entire nation under the banner of Islam. Their lives serve as timeless examples of faith, resilience, and devotion. Moving forward, we delve deeper into the realm of belief in divine books. These scriptures, originating from a divine source, have a profound purpose. They aim to illuminate the path of righteousness for mankind, guiding them towards virtue. They include many texts, notably the Quran, the Bible, and the Torah. These sacred records, respected globally, provide insights into life. They direct us through life's intricate maze, offering wisdom and solace. They serve as beacons of light in our journey, guiding us through the labyrinth of life's myriad challenges. In addition to this, we proudly uphold our faith in the angels, celestial entities given the divine role by Allah. These entities, in their mighty grace, function in dimensions beyond our grasp, conducting life's symphony at Allah's command. Their invisible presence reminds us of the grand cosmic arrangement, pointing us towards the infinite universe and our small but essential role in it. This existence, a miraculous and complex tapestry, is scrupulously crafted by the divine hand of the Almighty Himself. Furthermore, we profess belief in the Day of Judgment, a day of great significance, a day that holds a profound meaning not only for us, but for the entire universe. This day holds a unique position in various religious texts. It represents more than just a date on our calendars. It is a time when every soul, regardless of their past, will be called upon. Every action and decision we've taken will be assessed. It acts as a grave reminder, a constant shadow reminding us of our mortality and the fleeting nature of our earthly existence. This day carries an immense weight, highlighting the urgency of leading a purposeful life, filled with responsibility. It encourages us to live our lives in a way that we can face that day with dignity. This day underscores the need to live responsibly, steering our lives so we can face Judgment Day confidently. It is the day when we are reminded of the ephemerality of life and the necessity of living with purpose and accountability. The importance of this day is such that it demands us to lead responsible lives, conscious of our actions and their consequences. It is a solemn reminder of life's transient nature and the importance of living with purpose and accountability. Lastly, we embrace belief in divine decree, Allah's absolute sovereignty over all aspects of existence. This conviction isn't merely a sentiment but a deep-rooted trust that guides us. It's an unwavering trust in Allah's wisdom, affirming that every experience, no matter how small or large, is part of a grand divine tapestry. This belief instills in us the strength to navigate life's trials and tribulations. It is an affirmation that all events, from minor hardships to major victories, are intricately woven into a divine design, a design often beyond our human comprehension or understanding. In this final scene, we pause to contemplate the expedition we've shared. We've delved into the 6 tenets of belief, beginning with the belief in Allah, in the prophets, in the books, in the angels, in the day of judgment, and in the divine decree. Each aspect is not merely a belief, it's a beacon that lights our life's path, imparting depth and purpose. Consider following our channel if you made it so far. Like, share, and watch another one of our Islamic clips if you also liked this one. As we conclude this enlightening series, we trust you've gained a profound understanding of these core beliefs. Our exploration through the 6 pillars of belief exemplifies the depth of our spiritual lineage. Remember, faith is not a destination, but a journey. It's a perpetual process of learning, comprehension, and evolution. We believe this series has illuminated you and sparked a desire to continue this faith journey. Thank you for accompanying us in this illuminative expedition. Watch out for more discussions on faith, spirituality, and the path to enlightenment on Islamic channels. The only one worthy of worship knows best.